Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about my UPart wig from my own brand. It's called GLEEmade. And if you haven't checked out our beach blowout UPart wig, you definitely should check it out. I'm having a sale going on right now. I'm not sure the UPart wig is a part of it, but if it is, definitely check it out. This is what the unit looks like. It has clips at the top and a clip in the back, and you can install it in a bunch of different ways. Today I'm showing two different ways. This first way is just for a short, quick install. You can use bobby pins if you don't like to use the clips. I know some people don't like to use the clips. Or if you want it a more lasting way that you could wear for like a week without taking it off, you can definitely sew it down, which is a way I like to do it if I know I'm going to be wearing it for a week or 2 weeks and I might need to wash it or whatever. It just gives it a nice anchor for it to be held onto with your braids. So once the hair is all sewed down, I go ahead and run through it with a blow dryer. It just helps to make the hair a little more manageable and easier to style. Then I go ahead and take small pieces. I use my Conair, I think this is a 1/2 inch or 1 inch. I'll put it in my comment in the description box down below. I grab that and curl it, and then I use my rollers that I got from Amazon. These are really small, cute little pink rollers that work really well for keeping your curls overnight. I didn't end up wearing these overnight, but I did wear them while I did my makeup and while I got dressed for a photo shoot. And these rollers do a really great job of holding your style, and they can obviously be heatless. You don't have to use a curling iron for these. You can just roll your hair and sleep in them and your hair will come out rolled in the morning. So I really like these little rollers. What is that? The hairspray I'm using is from Amazon as well, and I'll leave a link to that as well. I've had that hairspray for years, and I definitely love that hairspray. So I just use a little bit of that to hold the curl, but not to make it hard. This is like a very light hold. It doesn't make the hair hard at all. And it's actually a nourishing hairspray, so it does have some good oils, essential oils, and things like that in it as well. And of course, I had to throw my bonnet on. These are available on my website, GLEEmade, or you can type GLEEmade African bonnets into Amazon and purchase one from me on there as well. So I went ahead and grabbed my flat irons and I just cut the rubber band. I was like, what is that I just cut? I just cut the rubber band, not my hair, y'all. So I went ahead and grabbed my flat irons. This is my babyless flat iron. It's the only flat irons I use. I want to get the wider one soon, and the small one for my baby hairs, but this is the 1 inch. So I went ahead and flat ironed my hair and got ready to blend that into the unit. If I had been thinking, I would have used the curling iron to curl my hair so that it would blend in, but I totally forgot. So my hair is super straight and the actual wig is curled. I was tripping, y'all. But anyway, taking these rollers out, the hair has a nice, pretty like wave to it. I love how these rollers work. I will be using them again in the future. I just love the texture of this beach blowout hair. It matches my natural hair so perfectly. It just gives that nice pressed black girl hair type of vibe. I absolutely love it. I added a little bit of highlights to this unit a while back. This wig is over 2.5 years old and it still looks brand new. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to check out this the GLEEmade Beach Blowout hair, I will leave links down below. I'm actually doing a clearance sale as well and have bundles of this hair as low as $25 right now, so definitely check out the website. All right, you guys, this is the finished look with the pink rollers and heat set curls. You can obviously do this heatless as well. I absolutely love how this turned out. And let me know if you guys would try these rollers. I'll leave them linked down below as well in my Amazon store. And if I missed anything, definitely leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.